Quest 2 is the best bang for the buck VR headset now, but is it too late to buy it in the year 2022? Let me tell you something right away. This was the best $400 I spent. Is it good enough for PCVR? Should you buy it if you don't have a PC? Is it better than Rift S? I asked myself these questions for almost a year and I could not decide. You should totally get it. This is a waste of money. How old are you? Enough playing games. In November 2021, I got it. First, let's discuss all the pros and why this device is so amazing, especially if you are a new VR user. I thought I will be using it strictly for PCVR, but then I realized that portability factor is so much more important and valuable than I thought. Use it in any room or take it to your friends. Take it out. No, don't take it outside, please. When Resident Evil 4 came out, for the last month I was only using it as a standalone. You can set the resolution, the refresh rate, everything you can set manually by using the official Oculus app. You can use side quests to download mods, to download songs for Beat Saber. You can use it just for browsing or watching movies while you're laying in your bed. You can cast or stream your gameplay on the phone, on the smart TV, on the computer. Quest 2 keeps getting new updates, and you can see that they are taking this device seriously and they will keep supporting it. Alright, but what about games, you may ask? Well, it's actually not a question about which games are available for Oculus Quest 2. This is a question about which games do exist on VR. If you want Oculus exclusives, Steam VR or anything from PC, you can play them here. Well, but should you buy this if you do not have a powerful PC? Well, yes. As a standalone, this is a freaking gaming rig. This is a console with great graphics. If you want to tap into VR world, this is your best choice again. But should we even compare it to the Oculus Rift S? Well, no, Oculus Rift S does not exist anymore. There is no support for this device. It has worse resolution, worse graphics. No one will ever update it, and it's not standalone. Rift S, Oculus as a whole, rest in peace. What if you want to use it strictly for PCVR? Should you consider some other options like Valve Index or Reverb G2? That depends. I would still buy this because I didn't realize how important for me will be the standalone factor. Those devices, they have better graphics, better resolution, better field of view, but they are more expensive, and at the same time they are only working with PC. They will not have all the exclusives like Resident Evil 4. And even if there will be a new headset this year, I doubt that it will cost the same amount of money, or the VR technology will become so much better that this device will become obsolete. It's time to talk about the dirty stuff. It's not all bread and butter, as you can imagine. This thing actually has a lot of problems, which are mostly related to using it with a PC. I experienced a lot of lag, stuttering. Sometimes it's just overwhelming. You will have to spend some time to set it up so it will work with your PC properly. And of course, the original head strap, very bad. Battery life, pretty bad. You have the price of this device. You also have to add up the price of Halo head strap, of the power bank, and all those other things, so together it will cost quite a bit more than you expect. Also, if you are completely new to VR as I was, you will get motion sick in the beginning especially, and you will get tired. Let's discuss IPD. It sucks ass because it has only 3 modes. Probably there are some lucky people that fit into those 3 categories, but I am not. You can actually set the IPD between 1 and 2. Also, if you want to create some content on your Oculus, oh my freaking god. I don't know how those amazing YouTube creators who are playing VR are doing this, because if I'm recording in OBS, the PCVR gameplay, the recording is good, but the gameplay, the game in my headset is jittery, it's lagging, and it's not comfortable to play. If I am recording it in the headset, I have to set it manually so it would not be square, it would be full HD resolution and it would have a good quality, and it can only record for like 4 minutes. Otherwise the file will get too big for this file system that Oculus has, and this file will be broken. You will not be able to read it or anything. So you have to always pay attention to your recordings to turn it off before the file exceeds the size limit. Do I think VR gaming will replace the average, the normie gaming in 2022? No, because in VR you are kinda limited to the abilities of your body. You can move only this fast. I will still be enjoying playing games like Doom Eternal, Overwatch, Hades, and no VR will be able to imitate them into the headset. So do I recommend buying it in the year 2022? Well, of course, because you will have the ability to take it anywhere with you, play all these amazing games. You can connect it to your PC. It's for $400. Come on. Check out a video on how I built my VR-ready portable gaming PC a couple of years ago. That's about it. See ya.